Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $4.75 that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes this week. I'm actually going to first start off with my wallet, and usually I have that one already tallied up. But I'm going to put $1.70 in my wallet this week. That's my usual amounts that I put in here. So spending is going to get 30, eating out is going to get 30. Groceries is going to get 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So I believe that is 1.5. Actually, let me double check what it is from my last time I did this. 1.5, 3 20s, 5 10s, 1 5 and 5 1s. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yeah, so that is 170 going into my wallet. So I'm going to start calculating the amounts here. All right, so that leaves me with 305. 475 minus 170 is 305. So the next one, next thing I'm going to do is go into my savings binder, because I have a savings challenge in here that I need a roll for. I like to do this fun like power up one. So I need a dice. Okay, and then sticky notes. All right, and then I'm just going to roll once to see how many times I'm going to roll for this challenge. Okay, so first roll is the amount. So 4 times. Okay, so I have 5 and 2. 5 and 2, which is a star, and that's $1. Next one is 1 and 3. 1 and 3, which is another star. 4 and 3, another star. It's going to be a low amount this week, which is, that's okay. Well, as long as I get something in here, that's all that matters. 1 and 3, which is another star. Okay, so this week I'm putting $4 into this challenge. Nice. Again, as long as I get something into this challenge, that's all that matters. So I'm going to write down here, power up 4. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my envelopes or my binders in here. I like to prioritize a couple of envelopes. For instance, emergency. I have 1728 in here, so I'm gonna put I'm just gonna put 20 in here. And then I'm also gonna put 20 in, this is like an extra savings. So that's gonna get 20. And then my treat yourself envelope, which I have 831 in. I'm gonna put 20 in here as well. I like to just match those and just put the same amount in each one. All right, and then I'm gonna go back to the front. Auto repair, I have 25. I'm just gonna put 10 this week. Christmas is going to get 10. Electronics, I'm going to put 10. There's something I want to buy for my new computer that I just bought, so I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Emergency already did, extra debt already did. Furniture is just going to get 5 this week. This isn't a huge priority for this envelope, but I do want to get at least something into this envelope. Rainy day, I have nothing, so I'm going to put 10 in here. Registration is fully funded. Road trip, I'm going to put 5. Scentsy is going to get 5. Subscriptions is going to get 5 as well. Okay, and I already did treat yourself. Alrighty, next up is the white binder. Beauty, I have $8. So I'm going to put 10 in here. Clothing has 95. I'm just gonna put 5 in here. Content is gonna get 5 as well. I want to go to Costco this weekend, so I only have 15, so I'm gonna put 15 in here for this week. Disney, I'm going to put, I have 95. So Disney is going to get, I'm going to Disney on Monday, so I'm going to put 15 in here. Family has nothing. Ooh, I really need to get, okay, I'm going to put 20 in here. Fun is going to get 5. Gifts has nothing, so that's going to get, let's see, I'm going to put 20 in gifts. Hobbies is just going to get 5 this week. This one is fully funded, so I'm not going to worry about that one. Home decor has 32. That's also going to get 5. Household has 9. That's going to get 5. It's not like a huge party because I already stocked up on some things recently. Target has nothing. So I'm going to put... 10. Okay. Now to my savings binder. I might go back and put a couple more, like a little bit more into some of these. Let me go in here first. So savings, I have Go Wild. I have $8.35 in Go Wild. Actually, I think I want to put... I'll put 15 in here. That leaves me with 46. Okay, so I have this $10 challenge here. I'm just gonna put $10 in here. I have this $5 challenge. This is gonna get $10. 52 circles. This week I'm gonna put 6. Okay, I'm left with 20. Oh, and I still have to do my 100 envelope, which I think I'm just gonna do 5, and then maybe I'll bump this up a little bit more, but I have the 5, so I'm just gonna plan for 5 in this one. 100 envelope. 5. I'm left with 15. This is dollar, and then this is star notes. Okay, I'm kind of happy with those amounts. So I'm thinking that 15, I want to put somewhere else. Okay, so let's see, which ones should I do? I feel like I'm actually gonna put it all towards fun, because we're gonna be doing like a little fun staycation for my nephew's birthday this weekend, so I figure I can use money from this envelope. So I'm gonna put 20 in here. So that I already had 5, so plus that 15 is 20, and then that should be the whole $475 for the week. I'm just gonna double check my amounts and make sure I really do have $475 before I move on to the next step. All right, so I do have $475, so I'm good on the total. Now I'm just going to do the tallies. So auto repair this week is getting 10, Christmas is 10, and so is electronics. Emergency is getting a 20, extra debt 20, furniture is 5, rainy day is 10, road trip is 5, 5, 5, treat yourself is 20, beauty is 10, clothing is 5, and so is content. Then I have 15, another 15, 20, 20, 20, hobbies is 5, 5, 5. And then Target is 10, 15. And then I have $4 for the power up. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The $10 challenge is getting a $10 bill. $5 challenge is getting 2 5s. 52 circles is a 5 and a 1. And then 100 envelope is just a 5. Okay, now I'm just gonna count the tallies and then total it all up and then make sure I have 475. So 50s, I have 1, so that's 50. 20s, oops, I did this wrong. 1, this would be 1 here. 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 20s. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 5s. And 1s, we have 5, 9, 10. All right, now to count this all up. 50s, I have 1, so that's $50. 9, I have 20. Sorry, I have 9 20s, so that's 180. 15 10s is 150. 17 times 5 is 85. And then I have 10. Okay, so let me just calculate all of this. Make sure this does total 475. I like to always check myself. 85 and 10. 475, perfect. All right, so now I'm just gonna grab a little sticky note and write this all out so that way I can give it to the teller when I go to the bank. So 50s, I need 1, that's $50. 20s, I need 9, and that's $180. 10s, 15, that's 150. 5s, 17, which is 85, and 1s, I need 10, which is $10. And then that is a total of 475. So when I go to the bank, I'm going to ask for 150, 9 20s, 15 10s, 17 5s, and 10 1s. And then I just like to put this in my wallet, which, oh, if you're waiting for more of these wallets, they are currently going through customs right now, so I'm just patiently waiting for them to arrive. So hopefully they come here soon so I can start getting these back in stock in my shop. But yeah, I just like to put this little sticky note in my wallet so I don't forget it, because I always take my wallet and I don't want to forget taking that little sheet with me to the bank. Okay, so that is it. That is my cash planning for the week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, if you're not already to subscribe, because the cash stuffing for this I will have up on Sunday. So you definitely want to see that if you're interested in seeing how I actually add this all into my system. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.